Hello gardeners! Winter doesn't have to mean the end of fresh, homegrown food. With the right lighting, you can grow your favorite crops indoors, all year round, even in the coldest months. Today, I'll share the best crops to grow under winter lights, how to set up your indoor garden, and tips to ensure a bountiful harvest. Let's get started. Winter weather can make outdoor gardening impossible, but growing indoors under winter lights offers a perfect solution. Not only do you get fresh produce, but it also brings a touch of greenery and life to your home during those long, cold months. Plus, it's easier than you might think. First things first, lighting. Plants need the right kind of light to thrive indoors. Here's what to look for. LED grow lights. Energy efficient, long-lasting, and customizable for different light spectrums. Fluorescent lights. Affordable and effective for leafy greens and herbs. Full-spectrum lights. Mimic natural sunlight, making them ideal for all plant types. Now let's talk about what to grow. These crops thrive indoors under winter lights and are perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Spinach, kale, and lettuce grow quickly and love cool conditions. They're the easiest to grow indoors and perfect for salads and wraps. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, parsley, and mint add flavor to your meals and grow beautifully under winter lights. Bonus, they smell amazing too. Microgreens are power-packed with nutrients and ready to harvest in just 1 to 2 weeks, perfect for salads, sandwiches, or garnishes. Root vegetables like radishes, carrots, and baby beets grow surprisingly well in containers with proper lighting. Many varieties of tomatoes and peppers can thrive indoors. They might need a bit more light, but the payoff is worth it. Here are some tips to ensure your winter garden flourishes. Proper spacing. Give your plants enough room to grow. Crowding can lead to poor airflow and pest problems. Watering indoor plants need less water in winter. Check the soil moisture before watering to avoid overwatering. Fertilizing. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks to keep plants healthy. Air circulation. Use a small fan to mimic outdoor breezes and prevent mold or mildew. Timing. Stick to a 12 to 16 hour light cycle for most plants to replicate daylight hours. Setting up your indoor garden is simple. Choose a space with good ventilation, like a kitchen corner or a dedicated shelf. Use trays or pots with drainage holes, high-quality potting mix, and place your plants under the lights. Voila, you're ready to grow. Harvest your crops as needed and enjoy the freshest, most flavorful produce right from your home. There's nothing quite like eating food you've grown yourself, even in the heart of winter. Growing your own food year-round is not just possible, it's incredibly rewarding. With the right lighting and these crops, you'll have a thriving garden indoors this winter. What will you grow first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.